I'm lonely. Oh, hi! Okay. Today I'm going to be doing this new series called Minecraft Real Life. And this is just a Minecraft texture pack. Oh, sorry! Sorry, guys. Sorry. Potion. Okay. They left this water here. Hi. Okay, so I'm just gonna gather up some wood. I'm not recording you guys. I'm not even pointing at you guys. No, I'm not. Well, maybe I'm pointing, but I'm not recording you guys. I don't see you guys on there. I'm gonna punch down this tree. You know what? We're not doing a texture pack. We're actually doing real life. So it's gonna take a while. 5 hours later. Oh, I'm tired of this. And this is me